This is Tom at MarineMax Maryland. I'd like to show you this 2024 Scout 330 LXF just coming to the market on brokerage. Beautiful boat in shark gray. You can see in the photos. This is the walkthrough video. Has the Scout's new Bianca upholstery coloring. Beautiful stitching in the back. Very distinctive. Boat comes with twin V10 400 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting, of course. Big swim platform in the back. Walk side to side. Great if you're on a lift. Also, obviously, just great access from the water. Got both raw and freshwater washdowns, plus an engine flushing system. It's got the side door, which is getting pretty ubiquitous these days. Nice to have. And then a side boarding ladder right there next to it. It's got the upgraded center console here with the aft facing seat, upgraded stereo. Moving forward into the helm area, split 60/40 helm option was added. Twin Garmin 12-inch screens, the joystick, of course, zip wake system, Mercury vessel view right here for your engine displays. Down below, it's got the cabin, got a filler cushion to turn it into a bed. It's got a toilet never used and sink. Of course, controls, electrical panel. Moving up forward, beautiful big sunbed, storage below, great beautiful stitching with the armrests. Windshield wiper option, got the radar up top. And then the electric bow table, it's in the sun pad position. Of course, you can see in the photos that it raises up into the table height or goes all the way into the floor if you're going to stand on it to go fishing. Gigantic bow seating, which is gorgeous with this color scheme. Plenty of room for family and friends. So again, it's a 2024 Scout 330 LXF. Dealer owned, never been registered. This is a personal boat of a Scout dealer. He's owned it for a few months, and then he's ready to move on to his next. He's going to get a 305 LXF next. So this is a great opportunity to get a boat with full warranties, never registered, at a brokerage price. Please call MarineMax Kent Island if you'd like a showing. Have a great day.